how to turn on or off comments notifications on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off comments notifications on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here on For You page, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find setting at the bottom. All you need to do is scroll down until you find notifications, click on it, and here scroll down again until you find comments. So if you turn off this option, you're not gonna get a notifications when someone comments on your posts on your Likee app. And when you turn on, you're gonna receive all the comments notifications on your account easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.